smoked cream cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. Hey, this is Mike with Smokin and Drinkin, and we're back here, and we are going to smoke some cream cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. It's a simple recipe. It's cream cheese, seasoning, smoke. That's about it. So I'm going to kind of move a little quickly here because I froze the cream cheese. Just have two 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, just any kind that you want to use from the grocery store. I froze it to help it hold up a little bit while we prepare it. We're going to score it with a knife in a crosshatch pattern on the top, kind of let some of the seasoning get in there a little deeper. And we're going to season it. We're going to do one with our Smokin and Drinkin sweet pork rub, and we're going to do the other one with the Smokin and Drinkin rib rub. Simple, relatively mild, and we're using apple pellets in our Ninja. So let's get started. First, let's get the Ninja started. We put it on smoker. We're going to go, I'm going to set it at 2 hours. Probably won't go that long. We're going to set our temperature down to 225. I'm going to go between 200 and 250. You don't really want it to just melt right away, but and then we'll just get it started. It's going to ignite the pellets. While it's igniting the pellets, we're going to get the cream cheese seasoned up. All right, so we're going to cut our crosshatch pattern. I've got my knife in just some water. It helps keep the cheese from sticking on the knife too much. And we're just going to do go in just a little ways, not too far. Maybe a 3/4, half inch or 1/4 inch. Just go diagonally one direction, and then we'll just go diagonally the other direction. All right, that's one. We'll do the other one. You kind of have to move a little quick, especially when you're outside like I am. But it doesn't matter if it's going to melt, obviously, in the smoker, but don't want it to be too soft while we're scoring it. And then we just season it. Like I said, we're going to do one with the sweet pork rub. The other one, we're going to do the rib rub. I've just got them on a piece of parchment paper. It kind of helps when you go to picking it up later. When it's done, I'm going to get as much of this on the cream cheese as I can. No sense of wasting it. This, both of these rubs have some brown sugar in them. That's the clumping that you're seeing there. So I'm just kind of breaking up those clumps a little bit. Sometimes we will put a jalapeno jelly on this afterwards, and then we just dip it with crackers, any kind of cracker. So your favorite cracker, whatever you like. Okay, then when still waiting on the pellets, when those are lit, we'll get these on the Ninja. Okay, our wood pellets are lit and we're up to temperature, so we're going to go ahead and put the cream cheese on the parchment paper right on the grill. So we're going to go ahead and put that up, and we'll just carefully put that right on the grill and let it go. As I said, we set it for 2 hours. Probably won't let it go that long. We'll check it in about an hour. If it's starting to melt all over, then we'll have to pull it off. But the longer you let it go, the more smoke flavor you get in there, but certainly don't want it to melt into a blob. So we'll check back in about an hour. It's been 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a peek just for fun. Oh, that's looking nice. Yeah, it's coming along. I might bump the temp down just a hair. Let's go down to 200. Just don't want it to melt too fast. Alright, we'll let it go another 25-30 minutes. Check it again. It's been an hour. Let's go ahead and check on our smoked cream cheese. Oh, that looks nice. Look at that. I would say that is done. Let's get that off of there and maybe take a taste. All right, we have the smoked cream cheese off of the grill. It's been on there about an hour. Let's go ahead and have a taste. First, let's do this one was the Smokin and Drinkin rib rub, and this one was the sweet pork rub. Let's try the rib rub first. Right here. Oh wow. The rub is not overpowering. Gives it that nice barbecue seasoning flavor along with the cherry smoke. Oh, that's delicious. Let's try the other one here. That one has a little bit more twang to it. A little more, almost like a meaty flavor. That's that barbecue, that sweet pork rub. That's delicious. I don't know which one I like better. Need to have another try on this one. So there you have it. Smoked cream cheese on the Ninja Woodfire Outdoor Grill. As always, thanks for tuning in, smoking and drinking. Remember to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. And as always, Prost!